Welcome, Twinkle Tots. Today we are going on an exciting adventure to learn about vehicle. Vroom vroom, I'm car. I have four wheels and I go fast on the road. You will have fun with me. Beep beep, I'm school bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Choo choo, I am train. I run on track and go very fast. Zoom, I am aeroplane. Fly high in the sky and people go to different countries and far places. Yay! We have learned about so many vehicles today. Cars go vroom vroom, bus goes beep beep, train goes choo choo, aeroplane goes zoom. So, which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us for more fun learning. Goodbye.